This video covers Office 365 groups. Groups allow you to simplify administration of permissions and sharing. You can create a group, assign people to it, and then reuse that group to share items with people. So let's open up the 365 admin console. Under Teams and Groups, Active Teams and Groups, you'll see this page lists existing groups created by the system. Click on Add. Enter a name, something that's relevant, maybe like memo documents, people that review or create memo documents on a site. And then add a description that makes sense. I can never type properly when I'm presenting for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, so double check everything once you've entered it. There we go. Click, spell checker. Grammarly, it's great. Click Next. Okay, now select the owner. The owner can manage the group, add and remove members, add members. Click Next. And then enter an email address. Try to make it meaningful with the group. No spaces or characters, just alphanumerics. And then change to privacy to private. And click Next. Double check everything. And then add team. Now, the power of this is when you have many people to add to a site or when you're sharing a document. It's much easier to create a group, add everyone, and then reuse the group. So you may have several groups. So go open the site, go to permissions, go to advanced permissions, click on grant. Now enter the name of the group. Select. Go to show options, select the permission level you want, and maybe enter a description. And then click share when you're done. So there you go. You have a group that you can reuse for sharing documents and content with that particular team. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please post that in the content area. Thanks a lot.